Good morning, folks. Mark Wilson here at the Fancave. It's 5:17 a.m., May 31st, 2017. What I have here is the second of two Casablanca Panamas in white, with gloss white blades. This one has a different light. You know, the other one had the 4-light fitter. This one just has a single light, you know, with the two candelabra bulbs. I'm only going to show this one with 4 blades because the 5th one is bent out of shape. You know, I saw it hanging at the Habitat with, with one of the blades off kilter, and I made the conscious decision to purchase it anyway, knowing full well that it had a 4.5 flywheel and it was still going to be a perfectly functional fan. And one of the blades actually has a little chip on it, so I think I'm going to replace that blade with the one on the with the broken bracket, so I have a complete perfect condition, mint condition fan. So without further ado, I'm going to set it on the demo mode. Helps if I turn the power on, doesn't it? Alright, we can go through all 6 speeds. Speed 1, the slowest. Speed 2. Speed 3. Speed 4. Five. 6. .3 miles per hour. I want to take this time to thank you folks for watching. Please do click like on this and subscribe to my channel called the Fancave. Check out some other videos. I have plenty of fan videos on there. And feel free to check out my Facebook page of the same name. Some of you may know me already. My name is Mark Wilson. Some of you may have seen me at the one of the Fanimation tours. Yeah, feel free to shoot me a friend request if you see me on Facebook. And yeah, thanks a lot for watching. Good night and good luck.